Defense attorneys calling witnesses to credit what Officer Wes Kerrick told investigators after shooting Jonathan Farrell 10 times.
When she had taser, I went a little lethal through my firearm.
Officer C.T. Thompson was with Officer Kerrick when the defense says a lieutenant advised them to do that in order to back up an officer. The judge asked jurors to leave while he decides if it's information relevant to this trial.
What instructions did y'all receive about how that incident should have been handled?
That one should have had lethal, one should have had non-lethal.
Prosecutors argued the lieutenant was referring to armed suspects. They just wrapped up their case with Captain Mike Campagna, who testified that it's not CMPD policy in cases of unarmed suspects like Farrell.
If an officer has a taser, the other officer should be prepared to go in and handcuff that person.
He told jurors Officer Kerrick should have reholstered his gun and used other weapons.
Either a baton, pepper spray, or my taser.
But the time to reholster is questionable for the defense, who argues Farrell ignored orders to stop and was on top of Officer Kerrick, seemingly trying to get his gun before Officer Kerrick shot. WCCB Charlotte legal contributor John Snyder expects the defense to bring in the lieutenant who suggested the lethal backup method, experts on national policy, and Officer Kerrick himself.
The defense is going to say is absolutely not. This guy is actually a by-the-book kind of officer, and he did exactly what he was trained to do. Whether we like what he did or not, this is what he was trained to do. So that the issue may be with CMPD, not with Officer Kerrick's conduct.
Courtney Francisco, WCCB News.